Yo, what is going on, guys? I heard you've been having issues with your Logitech c920 lagging and with your OBS giving you a high encoder error warning. Well, don't stress because I am here to help you guys out. So if you do like the video and if you find this any way helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see how the fix works live in action, you can watch me playing Temtem live. For all you guys, just subscribe. Okay guys, so there's a few steps that you need to do. So let's start with the encoder overloading issue. So this is how you fix it, and this worked for me because I've been getting that encoder overload issue for almost all other settings that I found online. So I'm hoping this helps you guys as well. So first thing you want to do is open up your OBS and go to preferences. Once there, you're going to go to output. In output, you're going to go from simple to advanced settings and click on recordings. So in recording, you're going to see encoder. So normally it's set at X264. You're going to change it from X264 to Apple VT, well, basically your hardware encoder. The software encoder, I did try that and it just gave me the same error, so that's definitely not going to help you in any way, shape or form. So try this and let me know if it works. Okay, and then moving on to your camera. Now the Logitech c920 is a pretty awesome camera, but it's like just bombed out when I was trying to film on it, right? So how I fixed this is I went to camera properties, then changed it from, well, 1080 is preferable, but it won't work on 1080. So you have to change it to anything below 720 because then you don't have lag. So it works perfectly. As you can see, the sync between the video and the audio is perfect. So give that a go and let me know if this helped you out. Well, yeah. Happy streaming and happy recording. I really hoped I helped you guys out, and if I did, you know what to do. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.